My first reaction is that I'm surprised, and my second reaction is that, as in the other matters concerning 2G, if I lose in one court, I go and appeal in another court. When I lost in the Delhi High Court the sanction matter, I went to the Supreme Court. Similarly, when I lost the cancellation of license petition in the High Court, I went to the Supreme Court, and both the orders were reversed. So same here, I think this order results in reverse, and therefore I appeal to the High Court, and then from the High Court to the Supreme Court. There was an observation earlier that matters can come from the special court straight to the Supreme Court. That also I will examine. So I will certainly appeal against it. I do not know what the arguments have been, but I had a very, very strong case. Both Mr. Chidambaram and Mr. Raja together have made the decision. Now the question is whether there was a criminality or not. I don't know what the judge has said. I will make a long statement tomorrow after reading the order.
Do you think
How can Mr. Chidambaram be vindicated in one court unless he is vindicated in all the courts? So that is what has to be done. I can also can tell you that Al Capone was vindicated on murder charges, and later on he was sent to jail in income tax. So this happens in every court, that there is a question of sustainable evidence, and I have to see it before I can react. That is not correct. That is not. The Supreme Court has also made it clear that there is Patiala Court. But Hindi mein, so I am telling you that there is no question of the Patiala Court following the Supreme Court when the Supreme Court has made it clear that there is no question of following whatever remarks they have made. And that remark actually was a reflection on Mr. Chidambaram. Now on Hindi mein, I am not disappointed because this is part of the game. This is only journalists might be disappointed.
Your petition was politically motivated in the allegation against you.
Yeah, that's very easy. That's very easy to say, because in the Supreme Court it is held, it doesn't matter if some petition is politically motivated. All right, अब हिंदी न्यायाधीश का निर्णय ये था कि ये पिटीशन डिसमिस हो गया, और किस कारण से डिसमिस हुआ है ये मैंने अभी पढ़ा नहीं है, बहुत लंबा ऑर्डर है, पढ़ूंगा। परंतु ये कोई नई बात नहीं है मेरे लिए। इस 2G मामले में हाई कोर्ट में भी कई बार हमारी पिटीशन डिसमिस हुए और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाकर मैंने जीता। तो इसीलिए इस पिटीशन को मैं हाई कोर्ट में अपील करूंगा, और यदि हाई कोर्ट में भी मुझे तसल्ली नहीं मिलेगी मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाऊंगा। जब तक ये सारे नहीं होंगे मैं नहीं कहूंगा कि हमारी जो बातें कही गई वो बेबुनियाद थी।
आपको लगता है जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ऑलरेडी
वो तो राजा का मामला है, वो तो राजा का मामला है।
आपको लगता है आपका पिटीशन पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड था? एलिगेशन आपके ऊपर ये है?
देखिए, पॉलिटिकल मोटिवेटेड हो ना हो, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कई